Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, I am going to be spying on this little girl. I might make a fort in the meanwhile. Maybe on the next video. And yeah, and I figured out my schedule, guys. I will make a video. Whoop. I'm gonna start messing with that Zoom. Every video, maybe some weekends, I don't know. It will be like random. I'm just gonna say. And I'm so. Let's go. Alright, I got confused there. Alright, let's see what we're gonna watch this little puppy sweep. Can you sweep, Boots? Oh shoot. Oh, look at that beautiful dog. Boots. Oh shoot. What are you doing? You're sleeping? Mm-hmm. You wanna play? Wanna play? Wanna play? Alright, let's play. Oh. Ooh, come on. He will watch us and watch what he does. Hey guys, you're gonna see this camera moving around. We're gonna see what he does. Alright. Oh, he got up. Go! Shh, Boots. Are you gonna get us? Is that little puppy gonna get us? Huh? Why is it so dark? Probably because I don't have my hallway light on. It's still a little bit dark. Oh, oh fuck! Shit! Hey, Boots, what are you doing up there? Oh my god! Guys, I'm sorry. Oh fuck! This is mine. Oh fuck! Oh, shit! Shit! I can just. Woo! What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. That was extremely. Oh my god, my hand was just in the way. That was it. I'll see you on the next video today. Making a fort. Bye. Gotta cut. Sorry, guys.